don't know.
Up to you.
I don't know.
I realised that I accidentally did tell, what's her name?
I'd already told her.
Okay.
I'd already told her.
I was so tired and she asked me if she could...
Answers are very vague.
Yeah.
Like
I don't know. Yeah, I know. That's, I get that vibe from him too. And why would he...
Berrie.
Tuesday next week, I think.
I don't think I'll get Instagram anytime soon because I don't even post on Pheonix and Friends anymore. I haven't posted there in like 2 months or something. Probably more than that. I love Asiatics so much.
No, I thought it was because I moved to this one.
Come on, good boy.
Kev, she's over the tree.
Said up to you.
Yeah. I palm everyone off.
And 90% of them, I tell them what's involved and they go, oh, I can't do that. So.
I gotta find it. Because then I'll tell you how long it's been since Bumi. Photo of me. I'm so proud of both boys actually. Because Kevin had big flights with his girlfriend.
Kevin looks like he's really enjoying his girlfriend.
He's had a good
Where'd
day.
she go? I think we scared her off.
Yeah. She, Kevin, it's been the week from hell really because the birds haven't been out.
I believe in you.
Just fly, Marie.
You have wings.
It's like they don't work
I
anymore.
hate it when they do that. I hate it when you're right there and they fly past you.
Is she gonna fly us to step up?
She's
I don't
food
know
on
what
the
she